Stunning, isn't it? Yes. Good morning to you, Sally and John. We've had some beautiful pictures coming in overnight from our weather watchers of the Aurora Borealis. Now, this one comes from Fintry in Stirling, so quite far south that was visible across Scotland last night. Stunning colours there. I'm a little bit jealous first thing this morning, but thank you for sending them in. And under those clear skies overnight, temperatures have fallen quite low as well. So fairly chilly start to the weekend for many of us. It's going to stay fairly chilly through the weekend. Some strong winds around again across parts of eastern England in particular today. We had strong winds and heavy rain around over the past couple of days in the east, and that's all down to the fact that we've got a very slow moving area of low pressure sitting out to the east here. That's driving in the showers and these strong winds as well. Breezy conditions really across the UK, but it will be across eastern England that we do see the strongest of those winds. A lot of dry weather on the cards through the course of today for many of us. A few showers across Scotland first thing this morning. Again, some showers pushing across parts of East Yorkshire, down towards East Anglia, into Kent later on as well. But away from these areas, most places seeing quite a good deal of sunshine. Indeed, yes. Good morning to you, John and Sally. A serene start to the day, certainly. We had a beautiful Aurora Borealis last night across parts of Scotland. This one was taken by one of our weather watchers in Fintry in Stirling, so fairly far south actually across Scotland. Many places saw that beautiful aurora in the skies last night. And under those clear skies, it is a chilly start to your weekend. So some single-figure temperatures around certainly first thing. And it stays quite chilly through the weekend. We've got some strong winds around, particularly across eastern England and parts of eastern Scotland, in fact, as well, because there's an area of low pressure. It's quite slow moving. It's been with us a couple of days now, bringing some showers and those brisk northerly winds. Windiest conditions across the east coast of England, where it'll be quite cloudy with some showers. But for the rest of the UK, perhaps one or two showers for northern Scotland around this morning, but a lot of dry weather, some long spells of blue sky and sunshine on offer. It will be cloudier in the east, and that cloud will just drift its way through the Midlands into central southern England later on this afternoon. Temperatures around about 12 to 15 degrees or so for most of us. They will be tempered by the strength of the wind. Now, these are the average winds we like to see through the course of the day, about 20 miles per hour or so in the east. But look at those gusts in the black circles, 40 or 50 mile per hour gusts of wind around those east coasts, coming in from a northerly direction. So that will drive some big waves on shore for parts of East Anglia, for instance. Those showers in the east will fade away through this evening and overnight. So clear skies for western parts of the UK overnight, a bit more cloud in the east. Where you do see the skies clearing, it'll be quite chilly once again, with temperatures near or even a little below freezing across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. So tomorrow's weather, fairly similar to what we've got today. We've got a bit of an east-west split again. Plenty of sunshine for northern and western parts of the UK. More cloud for central and eastern England. Could be the odd shower coming out of that cloud. Still breezy, but not quite as windy as we've seen over the last couple of days. By tomorrow, top temperatures still on the cool side, around 11 to 17 degrees. Sally and John.
OK, so
good morning to you, Sally and John. A bit of an autumnal chill out there this morning. We've had clear skies for some parts of the country overnight, so it is quite fresh out there this morning. But a beautiful sunrise here captured by one of our weather watchers near Wigan. Under those clear skies, it's going to stay quite chilly through the course of the weekend. We've got a northerly breeze with us, particularly strong winds across eastern parts of England with some showers around too, but many other areas are going to be staying dry through the weekend. But here's the slow-moving area of low pressure that's been with us a few days, sitting out towards the east here. That's still dragging in that brisk northerly wind and some showers, particularly for parts of East Yorkshire, through Lincolnshire and East Anglia too. Later in the day, some of those showers pushing down towards Kent as well. But further west across England and Wales and for much of Scotland and Northern Ireland should fade away. In the sunshine, temperatures still on the cool side for the time of year, between about 12 to 15 degrees or so, particularly cool where you are exposed to that brisk northerly wind. Now, these are the average wind speeds, about 20 miles per hour or so around that east coast. But if we take a look at the gusts of wind, they will be stronger. These numbers in the black circles, 40 to perhaps 50 mile per hour gusts of wind. So coming in from a northerly direction, driving some quite big waves around the coastline there in the east. Now, through the course of this evening and tonight, some of that cloud drifts its way a little bit further west through the Midlands, Northern England as well, but still clear skies for much of Scotland, Northern Ireland and Wales as well. And we could see those temperatures down to about freezing or a little bit below. Certainly likely to see a touch of frost first thing Sunday morning across parts of Scotland. Through the day tomorrow, it's fairly similar to today in that we've got an east-west split. Cloudier skies for parts of eastern England once again, quite breezy conditions, but not as windy as it's been over the past few days. Whereas further west, you should keep long spells of blue sky and sunshine through the day. Still fairly breezy for parts of southeastern and eastern England. Less windy, though, elsewhere tomorrow. Temperatures still on the cool side for the time of year, only about 12 or 13 degrees in the north, but we could see 17 Celsius or so down towards the southwest. It does look largely dry and settled for Monday into Tuesday, then things turn more unsettled and autumnal later next week. John and Sally.
More on.
Good morning to you, John and Sally. It is a stunning start to the day. This is the picture in Bude. So we've got a lot of clear sky there as the sun has now risen. Bit of patchy cloud here and there will be a few showers in the forecast today, but many places will see a good deal of dry weather through today and tomorrow as well. But the theme to the weekend's weather is things are staying quite chilly and there'll be strong winds around in the east, particularly for some eastern counties of England, where you're set to see some blustery winds and some showers as well, all down to this area of low pressure, which is quite slow moving. It's sitting out towards the east. Lots of isobars on the map, and they're heading all the way back towards the Arctic. So we've got some cold air coming in from the north. Particularly windy around those eastern counties of England, where we're going to be seeing the showery rain. Further north and west across the UK, 1 or 2 showers around this morning, particularly for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but they're easing away. So a lot of dry weather, a lot of sunshine around. The cloud just spilling a little bit further into central and western parts as we head on into the afternoon. But temperatures somewhere between about 12 to 15 degrees, a little below par for this time of year, and when you add on the strength of the wind, it will feel a little bit cooler. So average wind speeds are around between 10 to 20 miles per hour, but look at these gusts of wind that we're likely to see down that east coast of England, 40 to 50 miles per hour, driving in some fairly big waves around these coastlines as well. So showery rain just pushing south out of East Anglia through Kent into the evening hours. Most places looking largely dry through tonight. We'll have that cloud lingering though in the east, so that'll stop temperatures here falling too far. But where you do see the clear skies, particularly for Scotland and for Northern Ireland, we are likely to see a touch of frost. So temperatures getting down to freezing, a little below that, I think, in the countryside. So a chilly start to your day on Sunday, and similar to today, it's an east-west split. So we have got those cloudier skies for parts of eastern Scotland, eastern England as well, perhaps 1 or 2 showers down towards the far southeast. Still breezy in the east, but not quite as windy as the past couple of days. Less windy with more sunshine further west across the UK. So again, a pretty decent looking day for most of us on Sunday. Temperatures, though, between about 12 to 15 degrees across the northern half of the UK. We could see highs up to about 17 tomorrow down towards the southwest. Back to you both.
Okay.